Hello everybody. Welcome to Data Vital, your channel to lead a healthier and more conscious life. Today we are going to explore the different cooking methods and discover which are the healthiest. We will analyze how each technique affects the nutritional value of foods and how you can incorporate them into your daily cooking. We have prepared a ranking that ranges from the least healthy methods to the most beneficial for our health. You will be surprised to know how small modifications in the way you cook can make a big difference in your well-being. At the end of the video, you may find new ways to prepare your food that you had not considered before. And if this topic interests you, we could delve into each cooking method in future videos, showing healthy and interesting recipes. Remember, although some methods are more healthy than others, everyone can be part of a balanced diet and help us enjoy flavors in their best version. Let's start with ranking number 12. Frying. We start with frying, a method that involves immersing food in hot oil to obtain a crispy texture and intense flavor. However, this process significantly increases the fat and calorie content, especially in deep frying. In addition, oil at high temperatures can generate compounds such as acrylamides, which are harmful to health. Even frying in a pan with less oil is still less healthy compared to other methods. Number 11. Fry or sauté in a pan. Sautéing uses a small amount of oil as it is a quick cooking. Helps retain some nutrients. However, it continues to add fat to the dish and can generate harmful substances if cooked at very high temperatures. It is a versatile technique that enhances flavors, but it is important to control the temperature and cooking time. What is your favorite cooking method? Leave it in the comments. Number 10. To the plate. Grilling requires little oil and maintains the natural flavor of food. It is ideal for meats and vegetables. However, high temperatures can destroy heat-sensitive nutrients and form compounds such as heterocyclic amines that are not beneficial. To minimize this, it is advisable not to burn food and use moderate temperatures. Number 9. Cooking in quick sautéed guaco. Wok cooking is popular in Asian cuisine. It uses little oil and high temperatures for a short time, which helps preserve nutrients and texture of vegetables. Constant movement prevents food from burning and allows different ingredients to be cooked evenly. It is an excellent option for preparing balanced dishes full of flavor. Number 8. Baked. Baking allows cooking without oil or with a minimum amount, maintaining the flavor and texture of food. It is versatile and can be used for meats, fish, vegetables, and even healthy desserts. However, baking at high temperatures for a long time can reduce the content of heat-sensitive vitamins. To avoid this, cook at moderate temperatures and control the time. Number 7. Air fryer or air fryer. The air fryer is a modern alternative that uses hot air to cook food. It achieves a crispy texture similar to frying but with much less oil. This significantly reduces fat and calorie intake. In addition, it is easy to use and clean, making it a practical option for everyday use. Number 6. Pressure cooker. The pressure cooker cooks food with high-pressure steam, reducing cooking time and conserving nutrients. It is ideal for preparing legumes, meats and stews in less time than traditional cooking. By minimizing prolonged heat exposure, vitamins and minerals are better preserved. Number 5. Microwave. Microwave is fast and efficient. By reducing cooking time, more nutrients are retained. It does not require adding fats and is perfect for reheating foods without losing their nutritional quality. It is important to use suitable containers and avoid overheating food to maintain its nutritional value and texture. Number 4. Boiled is simple and does not need fat. However, some water-soluble nutrients may be lost in the cooking liquid. To take advantage of them, you can use that liquid as a base for soups or sauces. This method is great for pasta, rice, legumes, and certain vegetables. Number 3. Poached cooks food in hot water without boiling. Ideal for delicate ingredients such as eggs, fish, and fruit. It is a gentle technique that respects the texture and nutrients of food. By not using added fats, it is a light and healthy option. Number 2. Papillote cooking. Papillote cooking consists of wrapping food in baking paper or aluminum, cooking it in its own juice and steam. It does not require oils if it retains moisture, nutrients, and enhances natural flavors. It is perfect for fish, seafood, and vegetables and offers an attractive presentation when serving. Number 1. Steaming. We come to the healthiest method. Steaming doesn't need oil. By retaining most nutrients, especially vitamins and minerals that are lost in other methods, foods retain their natural flavor, color, and texture. It is ideal for vegetables, fish, lean meats, and cereals. Without a doubt, an essential technique for a nutritious and balanced diet. Did you like the ranking? If so, like the video and consider subscribing for more content on healthy living.